Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting an Xbox controller to an iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by turning on your Xbox controller. Then activate pairing mode by holding down the sync button until the guide light starts flashing. Now on your iPad, open up the Settings app. In Settings, select Bluetooth. Under Other Devices, your Xbox controller should appear here. Tap it to start pairing it. The Xbox controller is now synced to the iPad. It can be used to play Apple Arcade and other compatible games. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.